Hello, Merry Christmas, and welcome to another modelling video, the end of year vlog. The aim these days is to make quick to the point videos in keeping retention. A relevant topic in the creator sphere and year in review. The general mood is it's not been a bad year, but very disappointing. I feel many of my colleagues and middle-sized creators would be feeling similar. I've produced 22 models this year, which is short of previous. More than half of them have been quick single day mental builds or 3D print paint ups. The goal of making more models that I like, want, enjoy, GK, 10 Gundam kits and bits and pieces of others was not met and returned to leaning on crutches of easy quick builds. I do not feel too bad about this as a hiatus was meant to occur due to work and personal matters. Leaning on these little projects and creating shorts, which is the popular content of the moment, has been a fantastic crutch and method of keeping this channel on life support and going without leaning on filler lazy content. We could see something's changed in the mid-year and everything has flatlined. This is YouTube no longer recommending my content. The subscription and dash system just not working that much and being overly competitive with titles, thumbnails, subjects, viral things. Trends and populous subjects, not the best for more niche and passion projects. This has been hard on model reviews as I cover a large variety of genres across military, anime and Gundam, and many people that subscribe to me only watch one type of content or just the tutorials. This is the worst possible way of making a YouTube channel or content, but again, this is more of a hobby and passion and not necessarily what the algorithm demands. Plus, many other newer channels are doing a far better job than me. Not per se that I'm complaining, I'm just very happy to have a place that hosts my content and shares it freely. It's just the facts. Added to that, trends do change, and being on the platform for as long as I have and survived many mass deletions, takedowns and rule changes, it will change again and may turn in my favor, such as making the Metaverse leak 3D printed video. That went proper viral and showed that once I have the time to invest more into this channel, I can bring life back into it. My output is optimistic and I'm still going to put a lot of passion and love into this channel and projects. Sadly, the long form content that I put a lot of effort into, such as model reviews, are no longer getting the traction that they need to keep them sustainable. A hiatus is possible, but I'll do my best to prevent it. That aside, I'm not really buying models anymore. I'll just be building through my backlog, finishing projects that I've started a long time ago and focusing on older and vintage builds, which has always been what I'm most interested in and like building. Recent Bandai releases have disappointed me, especially with 30 Mission Sister Girls. The plastic, the connecting and the unfriendly approach to painters is just not my cup of tea anymore, and that's okay. More than enough channels cover this subject. I still wish to do more design, 3D modeling, and more importantly the injection molding project. This will remain on hiatus, though is something that I'm keeping my mind on. Content that has gone well, such as mixing my own cement, thinner theory, utilizing car paint. There's a lot more research and effort happening in the background, and more content like it is going to be coming out, which was very successful. I'm aiming for videos that are a slow blow. They may not be successful immediately, but are sought after and searched, and they will very slowly generate views and interest over an entire length of the life of the video. A few views a day, a few more a week. Once my business, personal and financial situation is stabilized, there'll be more focus put into these. I do thank you for your patience. This could even be a couple of years worst case scenario. I won't be going to a lot of events. The only ones I'm intending to do are Model Expo and Animanga, both as a trader and an event organizer for the workshop for the later. All in all, I'm feeling pretty good. I'm very excited to get to the hobby bench after all of this seasonal Christmas work and excited to build more models. I have a few cool projects on the bench, a few old things to to finish and a few that I would like to wrap my fingers around. Most importantly, thank you very much for your feedback, understanding, support, and interacting with the channel. We will keep going. Sincerest apology for the pessimistic view of this video. Always feel free to reach out, ask questions, look at the social media links and content down below in the description. Lastly, looking forward to a happy new year with you all and happy modeling. Cheers, get a lot of building done during these holidays and catch you guys next time. Thank you.